As we take a step here into the latter half of the week, we are going to continue to talk about some of those hazy skies, but also bring those temperatures up. We are noting that an air quality alert is in place, as well as recommendations to stay indoors because of the heat that is building, as well as the air quality. As we are noting that haze does create some health problems, especially for those with respiratory issues, elderly, as well as young children. So limit strenuous activity, bike rides, long runs, and walks, as we'll see that there is some improvements towards the end of the week, but we will at least carry the hot conditions into our Thursday, which is also going to be paired up with some increasing winds, which is going to bring some concern of some fire weather potential before we will see some moisture uptick into the weekend, which will bring us some relief in the heat, but it is going to stay active. Now, here as we head into our Wednesday, it is going to be that smoky, hazy sky building across the area. As we keep lighter winds, we'll still note that high temperatures, though, will be climbing into those 90s. We're looking at even a high of 93 into Cheyenne, triple digits into Scottsbluff, 99 into Douglas, to 90 into Medicine Bow. We're not going to crush records across the area, but we'll near some record potential for some locations, as records sit anywhere from the mid 90s to just around about 105, especially for the Nebraska Panhandle. Thursday might be the better chance to talk about some more records on the board, especially with areas up through Casper hitting 101, Medicine Bow at 92, Laramie even at 90 degrees, and Scottsbluff at 102. Now, we are seeing a few thunderstorm chances there off towards the west of I-80 there, but we'll see that storm chance is going to hold off until late into the afternoon. Our biggest concern daytime is going to be the heat, some slight haze, as well as some increase into the winds. We are seeing that our peak wind gusts for our Thursday shows at least some 25 to up to some 30-mile-per-hour gusts, especially there hugging that I-25 corridor to the east. And with that type of wind, how warm those temperatures are, and then watching that dew points for Thursday do continue to remain into the 30s, especially into Cheyenne, that does set the stage for some potential concerns on fire weather potential, as if a fire is started, it can spread quickly, and we have been noting that there are some big drought conditions across the region, so that will be a big day for fire weather. So we go from dealing with smoke from outside regions on our Wednesday here to then having our own fire concerns on Thursday, but then we have a big spike in those dew points there as we head through Saturday, which dew points into the 40s to 50s does signal that we have a return of some monsoon moisture, but that is going to allow for daily chances here for some thunderstorms that could bring some heavy rainfall potential from Friday through Sunday, hopeful to bring some alleviation to drought conditions, not going to continue to eliminate it. It also is going to give us some relief in the heat as we'll pull back to those mid 80s into Sunday. However, as we head into next week, we are going to see that more of that warm sunshine is going to build, as by Tuesday we could be back into the low 90s.